Let's talk about exercise, because Dr. Woman mentioned that you actually exercise very regularly. 60–70% of people actually do exercise regularly. I'm quite impressed. And assume you come to standing meditation to improve yourself. This means whatever exercise you're doing may not be sufficient enough to improve the health. Explain a little bit about the standing meditation versus different type of exercise. For instance, like there's Tai Chi, there's running, there's workout, there's yoga. What's the relationship between different type of exercise?
Actually, exercises make your body stronger, right? So the human body was made by muscles, so just as I said earlier. So that's why you need to balance your exercise to make your involuntary muscle and the voluntary muscle both getting stronger, not only one of that. But for most people doing the exercise, body training, you always focus on the voluntary muscle. You never really care about your involuntary muscle. People get tired, they go exercise. Okay, people feel sleepy, they go exercise. They're traveling, their organ working so hard, they will go exercise. Okay, and the people think, okay, I walk 10,000 steps, not enough. I need hiking for 3 hours, 4 hours, right? So this not, from my point, this is not called exercise. This is called abuse. You're abusing yourself.
Wow. That's
right? Yeah, it is. So you need to exercise smart, inside and outside. And you need more resting, okay, better nutrition. This is a whole part. This is a big above that. You cannot separate them, okay? So that's another thing is, I'm not sure if you ever heard that, but in Chinese martial arts, they never say you need to make your muscle stronger. Have you realized that? They're always saying 内练一口气，外练筋骨皮. It means they said practice outside your body, you practice breathing. No, you practice your tendon, your skin, your bone. Okay, practice internally, you practice breathing. That's it. Okay, they never mention you need to practice more muscle, you need to build up more muscle. They said if you have muscle, good for you. If you don't, it's not a big deal. Have you ever seen a bodybuilder stop working? Stop workout? If they stop working 2 weeks, okay, they lose almost like 40% of their body mass. So that's really hard to maintain the muscle mass, okay? But if you learn how to practice your tendon, if your tendon getting stronger, even you don't do it 3 months later, you still have 80–90% left. Okay, so that's why Tai Chi, standing meditation, you actually more focused on the tendon strength, not that much on the muscle strength. Yes, we do need a certain exercise to keep the basic muscle mass, okay, but we're more focused on the tendon strength. When your tendon becomes stronger, your joint get protected. If your joint get protected, you're not getting older that easy. You can still function, right? Even you're age 80–90, you still can run upstairs easily. But if you only have muscle without enough tendon strength, I'm sure you still can run with the fake joint. Okay, but that's much bigger hassle to go through, right? So just work out smart, okay? Exercise smart.
And your gifts and talents come through the body. If you think about a dancer or a ballerina or right, somebody who uses their body for expression, or a skater, for example, in that case it's easy to see, right? They express their talents through their body. Each one of us does the same thing. If you look around the room, you can start perceiving flexibility and grace and beauty in one's body, right? This is how we're actually naturally built, to move with ease and grace and flexibility and beauty and the proper movement and allowing that expression. But it's true for all of us as well, right? We express through our bodies, we express our joy and our happiness. And Dr. Hao mentioned children who are happy recover much faster. Happiness actually equals to health. Because when you're happy, you release in your brain dopamine and serotonin and all the good hormones that are actually linked to everything else in your body. So hopefully you feel that you can empower your body, you feel that you can empower your expression, you feel like you can empower your presence in the world without pain.
Do you have any suggestions how our audience today can create a habit to do the standing meditation? How can people create a habit?
I personally, from my own experience, is if I want to do something good, or if I want to be good at something, I have to make the things get into my life. I have to live in that form. Okay, so that's why if you come to my clinic, you will say while doing the acupuncture, my legs in the standing meditation, the form. While I'm cooking, I'm in that form. I'm standing, I'm in that form. I'm sitting, I'm in that form. Okay, so that's why you say I'm sitting here for so long, my feet never moved. Okay, I've been sitting here for this half an hour, I'm not moving. Okay, because I'm in that form. So if you just pay a little bit of attention like that, when you watch your phone, okay, put your frame into that first. When you're doing anything, when you're talking to anybody, don't lean on one side. Okay, don't twist yourself. If you're working with a few computers, every time you turn your whole body with your legs, not only your upper body. Okay, so as long as you can create this frame actually make your body working at the best condition. Okay, so then everything becomes lighter and easier. You save a lot of energy, you save a lot of trouble for yourself, and you're working much faster. Okay, so that's why get this habit into your life. Then start practicing. Start from 5 minutes. Okay, no rush. If you do 5 minutes, you feel nothing, then you can stay there a bit longer. Okay, just enjoy yourself. Okay, and plus, just imagine when you do meditation is a little bit payback for yourself. Okay, just you push yourself, put a little bit more attention to yourself instead of everybody else. You get on the airplane, they tell you put on the air mask on yourself before you put on the kids. So same thing, spend a little bit of effort to yourself. It's good for you, good for your family, good for your kids.
Okay, great. Let's give a big round of applause.